Yo, I'm back with a part two of this review. So let's get back into it. We was discussing about the audio chat. We was gonna test the audio chat. We was gonna see what's up, everything. So yeah, we taking this out the bag. We gonna get this off right here. And if y'all wanna know what I'm recording on, recording on my iPhone 7. So sooner or later, I am getting a camera, but gotta save money. And my channel's not booming, but in the future, I'm hoping it does. So I'm finna fix the camera. All right, so we're here at another video. So yeah, just discussing all this stuff. Uh, you you connect it. You put this piece and this piece. I believe, or I might have to look at the instructions. No, I don't. Snaps on just like this. Now this part or whatever, so it's look retarded already, but this part slides down. So it looks something like this. It's comfortable. I didn't adjust it yet, but it's still kind of comfortable. I can still talk. So we gonna kind of put it down a little bit much. I do like it on my right ear, so what I don't like is you can't switch. So you can't switch ears, so you want. So only goes on your left. So yeah. So I have my PS4. Plugging it in. So they have the mute. They have the on and off mute. You know if it's mute because it's red, and you hear this, which is on, and you hear the volume. Personally, I turn mine up because I really can't hear, so I turn mine up. What I'm not seeing is it's not glowing. So so yeah. If they're gonna call it afterglow, then it has to glow. Because I don't know how this thing glows, to be honest. So, yeah. Still not glowing. So, we're gonna take you to the screen. We're gonna go to party. We're gonna make a party. We're gonna create one. We're gonna make the party private. And we're gonna create a party. So, boom, we created a party. So now we're gonna go to party settings, and we wanna go to adjust microphone level, and I could kind of can't hear myself, but I'm gonna turn it up. So yeah, so you got the the turning, the tune, well, the level of how loud you want it. As you can see, you know that I'm kind of far away from my mic, but if I could cut it down or I cut it up, see, as you can see, every time I talk, it's kind of going low to good. It's not really going to too high, but if I cut it high, then it's a possibility. Well, it's not a possibility, but at the same time, as you can see it's going to too high, and that's what I want. I want it right there, where it's just too high. So yeah, so yeah, the book says that as I'm moving around, I can hear my surroundings. So I can hear the bag through the microphone. So, they have the headset overview, you know, finna let you look at it. Wish I had me some lights. Well, since you can't see it, I'm finna read it for you. It says, a 30mm on-ear cushion. That's number one. Two. It's kind of hard for me to see. Number two is flexibility microphone boom. Number three is noise canceling microphone. So can't really hear myself while I'm breathing, you know what I'm saying? Like, can't hear myself. Adjusting handband. As you can see, you can't really see because my hair stick. But I adjust the headband, so yeah. Number five, volume adjusted dial. What I mean by volume adjusting dial, if you don't know what a volume adjusting dial is, when you changing your level, like I was speaking on earlier, you changing your level of your microphone level. Like if you want a high or you just want a low, this right there, the thing, the level tuning. And the last one, microphone mute switch. So as I can hear myself right now, cut it off, can't really hear myself, you know what I'm saying? Because it has the red and it's saying it's on mute. So if you know you mute, then, or like, if you don't know if it's muted or not, you know what I'm saying? It showed that red, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you got that. But yeah, I just cut it back on mute. So yeah, please make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take Gang out.